we're going to start looking at Google Docs. So to create a Google Doc, there's two ways to access. You can type docs.google.com on your web browser, and you can either add a blank sheet or there are several templates available. And the other way to access is if you go to your Google Drive, so you would type drive.google.com. Everyone that has a Google account has a Google Drive where you can store and create information, and we will be using Google Docs for Google Classroom. And you click on New on the left side, and you would click on Google Docs. You have other options as well. And Google Docs is very similar to Word. You have the same basic capabilities as far as editing, changing fonts, alignment, copying, pasting, bold, etc. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change the size. I'm going to bold it, change the color, center it. So basically you have the same options. In File, you can create a new one, open, make a copy, delete if you don't want it. Edit is the same, select, copy, paste. Different options in View. You can insert an image from your computer. Drawing, it would open Google Drawing charts. You can insert a table, format, anything you need to do with spacing and the paragraph itself. Tools, I like tools because you can click on, for example, Explore, and it opens Google on the left side of your screen. And I'm going to write Google Docs. And you can see that you have all these options. You can also click on images, and let's say I want one of these images on my document, so I go to the end of my sentence and I just click it and drag it into my document. You can resize it if you want. And then you can also, if you need, you can select a word, right click on it, and you can define it. And on the right side, it will define the word that you just highlighted. So it has a lot of additional tools that you can use. And you also have add-ons, which are really neat. I already have some added, but you can get add-ons. Anything that can help you with your document. There's some add-ons for I use this one a lot, the bibliography and citation generator. You might want something for speech recognition, or there's others that help you with spelling, with writing, with math. But you would have to play with it to see which one you would use or which one would help you. And when you're done with your document, it saves automatically. This, and the top left is where your title goes. If you click on it, it'll automatically populate with the first group of words, or you can type your own. And then you can, and it saves automatically on your Google Drive as soon as you create it. You can also download it as right here on File, download it as. You can download it as a Microsoft Word document or any other type of document that you need. This one is Word. The .doc is probably one of the most used if you're not using it as a Google Doc. And sharing and collaborating is also one of the best features that Google Docs offers. You have several options. So on the top right, you can click on Share, and you can enter the names or email addresses of the people that you're going to share with. And on the right side, you can either allow them to edit, you can allow them to comment, or you can allow them to view your document. You can also get a shareable link if you want to copy the link. Here you need to indicate what you want them to be able to do to your document, and you can copy the link right here and then go to an email or wherever else you need to send, wherever else. You right click, you paste it, you send them this link. When they click on it, they will be directed to this document. Another very neat feature that Google Docs has is the comments section. If you receive someone else's document and they allow you to comment or to edit, you can just go to the right side of the page and you will see this little comment bubble, and it says add a comment. You can add comments to yourself, or if you're working or collaborating with the group of people on the same document, you can all add your own comments, and they will be indicated by a name, so you'll know who wrote what. You can it can be very useful if you want someone to make corrections or to make any changes on the document. So that's another good feature that Google Docs has. And that was a very brief summary of what Google Docs can do. I hope you are able to create one after this.